Oh, he's gonna get her ear.
Yep, there it is. Willow, she just wants to nap. And swipe!
We had no idea what happened. When we got home, she wasn't flying right, just sitting there, quiet. We checked the security camera, and this is what we saw. She must have hit the window while flying around.
Oh, poor little guy. He looks so down. He won't touch his food or even sip his water. All because the parrot's hurt and had to go to the hospital. He's really missing his friend, and it's so hard to see him like this.